To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the direct message icon at the top right corner of the screen. In the chats list, tap on the new message icon at the top right corner. Now select Create Group Chat. Start adding people to the group chat by searching for their usernames in the search bar at the top. You can also add people from the suggested list below. After that, tap Create Group Chat. The group chat will be created, and you can start messaging everyone simultaneously. Before that, you can give a name to this group. Tap on OK to confirm the name. Like individual chats, you can make a voice or video call, send messages and stickers, share photos, videos, and even audios within the group chat. For more options, tap the group name from the top. From here you can change the group name and photo, add or remove group members, search anything in the conversation, mute the chat, change theme, and invite anyone using the link. Now select People. From here you can also add or remove any group member, make anyone admin, block or restrict any user as well. Now go to Privacy and Safety. From here you can enable or disable read receipts for this chat. So in this way, you can create a group chat on Instagram.